How to fix if Messenger is not showing create a room option. So as per the new update of Messenger, you'll be able to create a schedule or room on Messenger. But if it's not showing, then that might be due to virus region. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. Right now I'm at the chat section of Messenger, from where you'll be able to see the chat with your friends. So basically at the upper section there will be the option for create a room or schedule a room, or if you switch to calls or people are anywhere, the option for creating a room may available. But if it's not available, then the first thing is due to the lack of update of your Messenger. So for that you have to open up to Google Play Store, and here you just have to tap and search for Messenger. And if the update of Messenger is available, then you just can tap over the update and update the Messenger. With this update, you'll be able to have the feature for creating a room on Messenger. This is the thing. But even though you updated your Messenger and you're unable to create a room, then you have to create a report to Messenger. For that, you just can go back and you have to open up the Messenger over here. And you have to tap over the three bar horizontal line at the left upper corner and just tap over the settings option over here. Now you just have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see report technical problem option. So you just have to tap over there and you have to go for report problem option at the button. Simply go for include option over here, and Messenger will help you to create a report. You just have to wait for a while, and finally you will be opened up to the text field where you have to explain your problem. You can explain that even though I updated my Messenger app, I am unable to have the option for creating room, so help me to have that. You can write like this, and you can tap over the send option at the right upper corner, and by doing that your bug will be reported and Messenger will work on fixing this issue. This is the thing. This is another way. Now the another thing you can try is by refreshing your Messenger device. For that you just have to go back and you have to open up to apps. Here press and hold over Messenger, and you have to press over the eye icon at the top, and here you have to scroll down a little bit and tap over the storage option, and just tap over the clear cache at the right bottom corner. And by simply clearing the cache, you'll be able to refresh your Messenger application and you'll be able to fix your problem. This is the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.